Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Citibank. So in order to do that, go and open a web browser of your choice or simply open up the Citi mobile banking application on your mobile device. Here I'm going to open up a web browser. Once opening up the web browser, go to the search box at the top and type in www.citi.com and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the official site. Soon after you do that, you'll find yourself in the official website of Citibank, which looks like this. Citibank is a major global financial institution and one of the largest banks in the world. It offers a wide range of financial products and services, including banking, credit cards, loans, investments, and more. From the official site, go to the right-hand corner of the screen and you should be able to see the login page. To sign up for a new online banking account, click on this register link under sign on. This will take you to a new page from where you can set up your online access. Go ahead and select any one options in order to start setting up your account. You can choose to select debit or credit card number that has been emailed to you by the bank. You can also type in the bank account number, Paycheck Protection Program loan account number, brokerage account number, or personal loan account number. Select any one option that you want to get started with. I'm going to choose the credit or debit card number. Once you make the selection, you'll need to enter the details according to the selected option. Since I've selected credit debit card number, I'm going to type in the credit or debit card number available to me in the first text box. If you've selected bank account number, similarly type in your bank account number and click the continue button. Once clicking on continue, you'll need to verify yourself. So in order to do that, you'll need to type in the last 4 digits of your social security number to identify your account. After typing in the last 4 digits of your social security number, you can click the continue button, or if you did not open your account by using the social security number, you can check this little box and you can instead use individual or foreign taxpayer identification number to continue. If you've not signed up using your ITIN or your FTIN number, then you can check this next box again and enter the rest of the information it asks of you. After filling in your details, click continue and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end, and you'll be able to sign up or register for a new Citibank online account. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again with the next video. Goodbye till then.